In this video, we will look into the 1920s and try to get a feel for what life was like back then. In the first photo, Jenny McGregor, arrested by Minneapolis police on April 10, 1924, for dispensing alcoholic beverages from life preserver flasks during Prohibition. Next, on May 26, 1924, President Calvin Coolidge signs into law the Immigration Act of 1924, the most stringent U.S. immigration policy up to that time in the nation's history. Gangster Al Capone talking to attorney William F. Waugh of the American Legion in Chicago, Illinois, 1929. Beer Hall Putsch of November 8, 1923. Silent film actress Dolores Costello, Drew Barrymore's grandmother in 1928. Pictured above is the iconic New York Yankees player Babe Ruth in 1924. On February in 1923, archaeologists opened King Tut's tomb for the first time. This is what Moscow looked like in the 1920s. If you like what I do, like and subscribe. Woman having her swimsuit measured for length violations on a Washington, D.C. beach in the 1920s. On January 1924, the first Winter Olympics take off in style at Chamonix in the French Alps. Spectators were thrilled by the ski jump and bobsled, as well as 12 other events involving a total of 6 sports. President Calvin Coolidge and his wife Grace, accompanied by Chief Justice William H. Taft. In this photo, people ride bumper cars, circa 1925. Pretty women standing by a convertible car wearing fur-lined coats, circa 1920. The stock market crash of 1929 occurred on October 1929, when Wall Street investors traded some 16 million shares on the New York Stock Exchange in a single day. Women in Chicago being arrested for wearing one-piece bathing suits without the required leg coverings. Vladimir Lenin's last photo. He had had 3 strokes at this point and was completely mute. 1923. In this photo, a man fills up his automobile at a fueling station in 1924. Actress June Walker as Sadie Cohen with hooded characters and an unidentified man playing the guitar in John Howard Lawson's Broadway jazz drama Processional, 1925. Rare photo mafia bosses meeting in Sicily circa 1920s. John Duff and Frank Clement in the Bentley, they drove to win the 24 Hours of Le Mans in June 1924, covering about 1,280 miles. Back then, drivers took care of their own refueling, tire changes, and repairs. Jazz show girls at the $7 million home of the Senator William A. Clark on Fifth Avenue, 1927. British actor and director Charles Chaplin dressed as the Tramp, standing outdoors with actor Douglas Fairbanks Jr., bandleader Paul Whiteman, and actor Douglas Fairbanks Sr., 1925. In 1920s, women made up about 20% of the labor force in the United States. Chinese General Yang Sen met with Li Qingyuan in the 1920s. Mediterranean revival-style homes became fashionable in Florida during the 1920s land boom. Prohibition protesters parade in a car emblazoned with signs and flags calling for the repeal of the 18th Amendment, 1923. Band plays jazz on stage at an unidentified venue in Chicago, circa 1920s. Joseph Stalin photographed during the 1920s. Times Square illuminated during the 1920s. King Oliver and his Creole jazz band Chicago, 1923. Louis Armstrong is fourth from the left.